So look, I just did the math. I counted up how much stuff we got because I gave Miriam some things. So we got a total of 21 items, and because we spent $53.19 and used the coupons, we literally paid less than $2.15 per item. That is gangster. That's a steal. I think that's a win. Let's go get to making some stuff. But I just wanted to share my haul with you guys. So get all your tools and supplies together, and we're gonna make some cool stuff, and we're gonna talk about some spring and summer trends 2022. So look, I ended up being able to use the 15% off on a whole bunch of stuff. I used the 40% off coupon. I got to use the 20% off. And the 15% off, if you don't have the Michaels app, you've got to get that, because with the app, you get to earn reward points and things like that. Like I literally had just gotten a $15 voucher, 15 free dollars, not free because of course you buy to get the voucher, but I spent $15 that I gave Marvin. He got to use that with a 20% off coupon, bought himself a sewing machine that he just had to have, honey. And he can sew. Miriam can sew too. She sews by hand. And then I got to use, so 15%, 40% somewhere in there, plus 20%, and I saved $45.57. So y'all, she initially told me that my total was $67. I ended up spending $53.19. So I'm excited about that. Miriam said the same thing, like we couldn't find our stuff. So she's a fan of chain, and I'm going to be making, chain is in for the 2022 trends. We're going to be talking about those. So we got some chain in different not finishes, because she got the silver. I kept the gold, gave her the silver. So chain is huge. It's really in for 2022. I got the chain from Walmart. So they have a small craft section, but they had a ton of great chain to choose from. And it was only like $3 and some change. So let me tell you what I spent at Walmart. Disregard the bacon bits. But each thing of chain was $3.38 or $3.22. So 4 things of 75-inch chain, that's not a bad deal. I spent roughly $14 and some change, because the bacon bits were $4. Well, $5.27 they got me, because it was supposed to be $4 something. So then with Michaels, I'm gonna tell you what I spent in a second, because everything was on sale. So y'all, I needed another bead. Like I needed a hole in the head, but look, who could resist? They were 50% off. So the turtles were actually $1.99 each. These were $2.50 each. So it wasn't so bad. So I kind of could justify the expense, but these are really beautiful. I want to make like some tribal print colored necklaces, maybe some Aztec theme. I don't know, but these just put me in the mind frame of that, of like desert, southwestern vibe. I still wanted to get some more stuff. They didn't have any pink, so I'm gonna have to go to a different Michaels to see if they had some pink, but those are really pretty. And then of course, I got these from Dollar Tree, and those are more like a plastic bead. Well, these are metallic. Well, it says metallic, but I think these are plastic. So those are plastic, but I like them a lot. And then I got some 9mm jump rings, and the teardrop shaped hoops. So I got these from Michaels. I think I said Hobby Lobby before. So then, let's not show that yet. I already talked to you, we're gonna be making some summer jewelry. So I got some turtles. So all of Michael's beads were 50% off, which I think still isn't a great deal, but I mean, 50% is 50%. And I was able to use a couple of my coupons. So we got those, and then we got these turtles. The other turtles I wanted, they were out of. I'm gonna probably go to a different Michael's over the weekend, and it's the ones that are like white, pink, purple, and all that jazz. But those are really cute. I love sea turtles, and so does my 15-year-old. She loves turtles and frogs. And so this is a silver set, just like the gold set. So pretty cool, because there's 16 pairs of earrings in each. So that's 32 pairs of earrings, y'all. We are not gonna run out of supplies. And I brought my Mir her own set too. So then we have another 120 pieces. Okay, you guys, I got carried away. So remember I told you I couldn't find my earring hook. So this time I made sure to get a whole bunch. Let me see, that's 180. 240 earring hooks just right there. Let me dump the bag out and show you all what I got. I got totally, completely carried away. I wanted to try these before. These are actually ear wires. And look how cool they are. Don't know what I'm gonna make with those, but you know I'll come up with something creative. These are tri-colored earring hooks, 120 pieces. So 60 earrings. We got some 6mm jump rings, some 7mm jump rings. I need to start buying this stuff off Amazon. I'm wasting too much money going to the store. And we got some ear wires. I like these because you notice, remember sometimes I use the circles and then the teardrop shape.